Hi everyone, Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a delicious Cajun macaroni salad. Let's get started. This delicious Cajun macaroni salad calls for elbow macaroni, extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, hot sauce, mayonnaise, Creole mustard, lemon juice, black pepper, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, celery, green onions, and 2 hard-boiled eggs. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and boil my couple of eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and salt my water just a bit. Just a drop of my extra virgin olive oil in. That's just to keep the pasta from sticking together. This recipe calls for 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Give that a good stir. I'm gonna set my timer for about 10 minutes. And while the pasta's cooking and the eggs are finishing up boiling, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our onion and celery. This recipe calls for half of a sweet onion. Y'all, this recipe is so delicious, and it is a twist on your classic macaroni salad. And it calls for half of an onion. You know, y'all, I'm always looking for a new, fun recipe on the classics, and I just thought that this Cajun macaroni salad would be so good to share with y'all. This is great for picnics. It's good for summer cookouts. It's different. It's not your run-of-the-mill macaroni salad, and everyone loves it. I like my onion minced up real fine. I don't like big chunks of onion. Okay, those look about right. Next, the recipe calls for 2 ribs of celery. And this is what's going to give it a little bit of crunch. Okay, there we go. We're just going to set this to the side. Our pasta is done. That took 10 minutes. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to start mixing our ingredients. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. Next, the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of Creole mustard. I'm using Popeye's brand, the Mardi Gras mustard. 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. Half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Next, we're going to pop in our 2 ribs of celery. Half of our medium sweet onion diced. Next is our 2 hard-boiled eggs chopped. We're just going to mix all this together. I'm going to pop about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in here. next we're just going to add our pasta in. Okay, and in goes our mixture. Now y'all can adjust the heat. You can add more, you can add less, you can add anything you want into this macaroni salad. And sometimes I do adjust it depending on my crowd. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. I'm also going to add just a dash of my Old Bay seasoning. I'm going to add just a little bit of granulated garlic. I'm just going to give it all a good stir. Now you'll always want to chill this for several hours just so all these flavors can meld together. And y'all, this is such a delicious spin on your traditional macaroni salad. And everyone really loves it. And you think, you know, that might be a lot of mayonnaise, you can adjust it, but honestly, it's so much macaroni that you need it. You could add shredded chicken to this. You can add more eggs. You can add seafood to it, shrimp, crawfish, crab. That is the beauty of these pasta macaroni salads. You can make it however you'd like. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. I'm just going to transfer it to this nice big glass bowl. Y'all get those bowls clean. There's a lot of goodness in there. Oh, that looks so good. I'm just going to top mine with a little bit of smoked paprika. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and give this a try and see how it tastes, because it sure does smell good. That is so good, y'all. I get a little bit of heat from the cayenne pepper. The crunch of the onion and celery is really good. This is so delicious. And y'all, that's going to do it for today's recipe and video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and found inspiration in some way to give this delicious Cajun macaroni salad a try. As always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.